Hi, so today I'll be showing us how to set up our CS-22A, Sokay CS-22A with on Cubase. So you go to Studio, Setup, you select your audio system, check, you select your ASIO for all or FL ASIO, but we'll do with ASIO for all now. Switch, you select ASIO for all, go to Control Panel, ensure that USB Hi-Fi audio is activated. Check it. Okay, all right, we're good. You okay it. Then you go to Studio again, go to Audio Connections, check your input, not connected, switch to the ASIO, right? Check the ASIO again. Yeah, so that we can activate the input and the output. So select output again, select the ASIO for all, and then just click on this to see that the input and output are selected. So add your audio track. Also select the input that you want, either input 1 or 2, where your microphone or your instrument is connected. Mine is connected on input 1, so I select input 1, and I think we're good to go. So yeah, just to be sure, let's run through it again to be sure. Yeah, so everything is good here. Let's go back to audio connections to be sure everything is good at the input. Okay, so input is fine, input is good, output is good. Yeah, so we should be good to record now. So we'll try to record now. You see that? Yeah, 1 1 1 1. Yeah, so let's record now. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So we're good to go. Everything is set up. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.